lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited to show you part 1 of my DIY store haul. It consists of cute, fancy and practical hair accessories at super affordable prices. So without any further delay, let's get started. A quick disclaimer you guys, all the items shown in this haul are bought by my own money, so this is a completely not sponsored haul. So first up is this cute claw clip in this beautiful ribbon shape. It has this Barbie pink color and it holds the hair so well you guys, because I've actually used it the other day, so I ripped off the tag and hence I cannot tell you the exact price, but I think it was for rupees 60 to 65 if I'm not wrong. But if you do find something similar to this, then I can recommend you to buy it because it is really good quality and also holds the hair really well. Next up is this claw clip in this beautiful yellow color. This is my second favorite in this haul because the first favorite was the Barbie pink ribbon one. Now this retails for rupees 54 and I found this shape to be very unique you guys. I haven't seen a claw clip of this particular shape, and it is big enough to hold the whole hair up, especially when you're doing a full bun or something. Also the quality feels very nice and sturdy, and the teeth are so smooth so they won't prick your scalp. So it is a really well made claw clip. I'm all about yellow color these days you guys, so I picked up another claw clip in this clear yellow color. I have lost the tag of this claw clip. I haven't used it, but I just lost the tag of this, so maybe it retailed for somewhere around 50 to 55 rupees if I'm not wrong. And it's also again a very well made claw clip. I feel that it has a very strong grip. Also the teeth are very smooth so they won't prick your scalp. So yeah, that is about it. I mean, it's quite cute for half hairdos and all that. Next up you guys is this cute raspberry pink colored claw clip in this triangular shape. It retails for rupees 63. It opens quite wide you guys, and the teeth are also smooth so they won't prick your scalp. If you like chunky claw clips, then this is a good option. Also, if you have long thick hair and you want to just put all the hair up in a bun situation, then also D.I.Y has so many options. So something like this can really serve you a purpose. So the next claw clip is going to be the last claw clip in this haul you guys. It is this one right here. It is in this blue gray color and has this saw like shape. Retails for rupees 54. Again opens quite wide and the teeth are also smooth. All the claw clips from D.I.Y are very well made you guys, and this is no different. So definitely if you are a person who likes to collect claw clips or uses a lot of claw clips and want a similar pricing as that of your local stores, then you can definitely check out D.I.Y because it has such a nice collection of claw clips. You can just choose and select whichever claw clip you want, whether small or big. Next up are these Tic Tac clips you guys, and they come in this cute bunny ear shape. All of them are in pastel colors. This is a pastel pink, this is a pista green color, and this is a powder blue color. They retail for rupees 54. Now I know this looks very cute and kiddish, but I still had to grab this up you guys because I love Tic Tac clips and I find them very functional. So if you also love Tic Tac clips, then you can grab them for yourself or you can gift them to a little girly. Next up are these spiral hair ties you guys. They retail for rupees 65 and you get 6 units of them in 6 different colors. Now I have already used similar hair ties like these and I can tell you they are very well made and very good quality. They are very good for holding all your hair up, and also they do not put any dent on your hair. You can see the stretch you guys, it's so good. Again, if you like something very minimalistic and very practical, then spiral hair ties are a must you guys. And D.I.Y actually has a really good collection of differently colored spiral hair ties, so you can choose whichever colorway works the best for you. These spiral shaped black hairbands come in a pack of 2 and they retail for rupees 100 for both of them. Now I have used something similar to this. I've already used this one, you guys, and also came with another one, an orange one. So I can tell you that they are really good quality, you guys. They stretch very well and they can fit a lot of different head sizes. So if you want something practical to just pull your hair away from the face, then I can tell you that this is a good option. Next up is this pair of white hairbands, you guys. They retail for ₹90 for both of them. I was especially drawn towards this pearl hairband, you guys. It is so cute and pretty. I don't really care about this white one though. Now if you want something pearly and cute, then you can go for this pair. If you want fancy hairbands, then you have so many options to choose in DIY. You can go for whichever you want. Next up is another pair of pearly hairband, you guys, and it comes with this little bracelet as well. Retails for ₹77. Now these pearls are a little different from the previous one because they have this iridescent shine to them and also this cute butterfly detailing over here. Now I know it looks quite kiddish, but it stretches very well, you guys. So I think it can fit a lot of head sizes. It can easily fit an adult's head. So if you like pearly iridescent hairbands, then you can go for this one, or you can gift it to a little girly as well. Now this hairband screams kiddish, you guys, and I know that, but I absolutely loved it because of this cute iridescent heart, and it stretches quite well. So even if you are an adult and you like cute kiddish things, you can totally buy it for yourself. Retails for ₹77. Also comes with this bracelet. Now this bracelet is of a different color than this one, but they did come together. I lost the tag, you guys. I haven't used it, but I just happened to lose the tag. But I just found it so cute that I had to pick this up. So you can either buy it for yourself or you can gift it to a little girly. So the last item in this DIY hair accessories haul is this paddle brush, you guys. It is in this dusky pink color and have these wavy bristles. I used this the other day, you guys, so I ripped off the tag, but I guess it retailed for ₹200 to ₹250, and it helps to detangle hair quite well, you guys, as you can see now. So if you want a large size paddle brush at a reasonable price, DIY has so many options, you guys. I chose this one in this dusky pink color, but there are other options as well. So I would highly recommend you to check DIY hair brushes. They are not the best quality, but definitely you get a good quality for a reasonable price. Now that's a wrap, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more budget friendly finds. Also, if you like this video, then give me a big fat thumbs up and share your comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.